Ready na ba kayo for your real estate investment this 2026? Hashtag home goals. Tara, let's visit Amarillo Crest in Havila Township in Taytay Rizal, developed by Pilinvest Land, and tingnan natin yung mga available na properties na for investment. Guys, yung nasa likod ko, yan po yung mga available na house model unit for viewing namin here in Amarillo Crest, Havila Township. And next, puntahan po natin yung nag-iisang RFO unit here in Amarillo Crest. Mga kabahay, nasa likod ko ngayon yung available na RFO unit here in Amarillo Crest, Havila Township in Taytay Rizal, located in Phase 2. Ang special sa bahay na to is only one unit remaining na lang, mga kabahay. So mga kabahay, walking distance from the house na pinakita ko kanina, yung RFO house, is yung amenity area naman ng Amarillo Crest. Nandito po located ang basketball court. Tara po, puntahan natin. So mga kabahay, naikutan natin yung basketball court here in Amarillo Crest. Puntahan naman natin yung prime lot located in Block 12 na may overlooking view of Metro Manila skyline. So right now mga kabahay, nasa Block 12, Phase 2 tayo. So yung mga available dito is mga city view lot. May 3 lots na available in Block 12. Kanina, pinakita ko yung prime lot located in Block 12. Now we are in Phase 1A in Amarillo Crest Residences, still in Havila Township, Taytay. Guys, special tong Phase 1A kasi nandito yung past selling lots namin here in Havila Township. Tara, pasyalan natin ang Phase 1A. So mga kabahay, still we are in Phase 1A and nag-iikot tayo ngayon. So ito po yung Block 1 ng Phase 1A. In Block 1, located yung mga smaller cuts. So meron tayong 178, 155, and 168 square meter in Block 1 na available pa sa ngayon. So mga kabahay, kung naghahanap ka naman ng lot cut na around 200 square meter, puntahan natin yung Block 2. So yung mga kabahay, nasa Block 2, Lot 8 and Lot 9 tayo. So yung lot cut dito is nasa 149 and 205 square meter. Special, again, kasi 200 square meter cut to and corner lot pa. This is Phase 1A, fast selling residential lots here in Havila. Next is puntahan naman natin yung main amenity area. Tara mga kabahay, pasyalan natin ang main amenity area ng Amarillo Crest. So just a fact check mga kabahay, may 3 amenity area ang Amarillo. So meron tayong viewpoint or view deck. Pangalawa, meron din tayong basketball court. And yung last, yung main is ito. Nandito po yung swimming pool and yung clubhouse. Mga kabahay, I'm in viewpoint here in Amarillo Crest. Ito po ang isa sa mga amenity area ng Amarillo Crest. And yun mga kabahay, dito nagtatapos ang ating vlog for today. And kung naghahanap kayo ng property, RFO house and lot and residential lot only here in Havila, consider Amarillo Crest. I'm Agent J from MF4 Real Estate Corporation, an in-house lead broker of Pilinvest Land. You may contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363.